welcome back. Today we'll be talking about hair, and this is the hair I had for my 25th birthday. If you haven't watched my quarantine birthday, go ahead and watch, and we'll be talking about how I dyed my hair in this beautiful urban chocolatey brownish color. And if you do like this video, continue to watch and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So you want to start off by making sure you have great quality hair, and I'll be using this hair from Becca Hair, and I got these 4 bundles of 24 inches and I love this. The hair quality is amazing, and a 5x5 closure which I purchased from AliExpress. This was really cheap. It was £24. I know, a bargain, right? I feel like Corona has brought so many bargains. And I'll be using this hair bleach dye from Savers. It was only £2 a pack, and I'll be using 5 of them, 1 for each bundle including the closure. And you want to go in with all of them, and it comes in like so many sachets, so I don't even feel like you need to buy 5. I had so many left over. So once you finish pouring in the powder, you want to go in with your peroxide, cream peroxide, and I got this one from the hair shop, and I'll be using the 12%. And you want to make sure that you have a lot, as you're going to be using this on all the bundles that you have, and you're going to use this in a container that you know that you're going to throw away afterwards. And please use some gloves because you're dealing with bleach, and cover your face because you don't want to inhale all those toxins. So please go ahead and mix your mixture together and make sure that it's nice and soft and it's nice and creamy as well.
Go figure, you were the trigger. You brought me to an obstructive view. When you knew the picture was bigger, who am I kidding? Knew from the beginning, you ruin everything, you do it every time. You are my enemy, you are no friend of mine, motherfucker. You motherfucking right, you motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, I'm motherfucking right now. I just turned the lights out now. You know when the sun go down, that's when it would all go down. Been a while, and nobody hit it since you with it. You know you always know what to do with it. It ain't on me and you without you with it. Yeah, I'm about to burn this bitch down. Think I need to lie down, cause I'm not trying to wild out now. But right now, I know what I'm capable of. Might fuck.
So after some minutes, you'll see that your hair color will definitely start to change and lift, and you want to make sure that you spread your hair bleach amongst your hair evenly. That way every strand has some color on it, and get a comb and evenly spread that and massage it right into your hair, into the roots. Every strand of your hair must have the bleach, and you will see that the color becomes this orangey ugly color. And just massage it in.
Know what I'm capable of. Might fuck around and go crazy on cut. Might fuck around, have to pay me in blood. This ain't the way that you want. Might catch a case in this bitch. Don't let me catch you face to face.
So once your hair is dry, it will leave you with this orangish blondish look, and that is not cute. So you want to go in with your hair dye, and I'll be using these Super Drug ones. They're really cheap and they do the job. They're permanent colors, Auburn and a chocolatey brownish look, and if you mix these together, it gives you a really nice finish. And you really want to massage it into the bundles as much as you can. I got like 1 bottle for each bundle. And that Super Drug Color Enhance also adds a nice finishing touch. It's conditioning to your bundles, so it will leave it nice and soft as well, and make sure that the color is really cemented in. And please don't forget the roots of your bundles. You also want to add as much color as you can to all your hair.
Face in this bitch, trying my hardest not to disrespect you. After what you did, man, what you expected. Motherfucker, you motherfucking right. You motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time get all. All our memories, all you meant to me. All that history, all that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Fall back eventually. Please call me back eventually. Fall back into me, yeah. Baby, I'm over control that shit, man. Cause when I get mad, I get big mad. Should've never did that, get back. About to feel the wrath of a menace in my back and my feelings. I'm a bad little bitch, you know. I'm triggered when I see your face. Triggered when I hear your name. Triggered, that you're not okay. You need to stay out my way. Triggered when I see your face. Triggered when I hear your name. Triggered, that you're not okay. You need to stay out of my way. You need to stay out of my way.
And after making my wig, I go in with my concealer and I put that right underneath my lace. This ensures that my hair is laid and it's looking natural, and you don't want your lace front or any wig of yours to look a bit wiggy, and this concealer trick really helps. And you brush your hair going bottom up, ladies, to ensure that you don't have a lot of shedding, and go in with some heat protectant because you want to protect your bundles. So yes, I go in with my Remington straighteners and I just want to straighten my hair all over, and I section it bit by bit to ensure that it's nice and straight. And I also like to go in with the combing method, so I comb with my hair straighteners and straighten right at the same damn time. And please do take your time. I feel like laid bundles require so much time, and I like to go in section by section, and sometimes you'll feel that you have flyaways, so I like to go with my Cara Care. I know I've spoken so many times about this, but I absolutely love their wax stick. It ensures that my flyaways are away, and I like to use a hot comb just to flatten my hair. And who does not like a wig that is nice and flat? So yeah.
All that history, all that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Fall back eventually. Please call me back eventually. Fall back into me, yeah. Baby, I'm overreacting. Baby, I don't know what happened. You know I love my bad habits. You know it's hard for me to control that shit, man. Cause when I get mad, I get big mad. Should've never did that, get back. About to feel the wrath of a menace in my back and my feelings. I'm a bad little bitch, you know. I'm triggered when I see your face. Triggered when I hear your name. Triggered, that you're not okay. You need to stay out my way. Triggered when I see your face. Triggered when I hear your name. Triggered, that you're not okay. You need to stay out of my way. You need to stay out of my way. You need to stay out of my way.